Today we're looking at Bessey's new EHKL 360, or better known as just the 360 clamp. Why 360? Well, the head rotates in 12 distinct increments relative to the handle, and that can be a pretty handy feature at times. Imagine doing a large glue up in the shop, maybe a rocking chair that you're repairing or a large carcass glue up, and you've got the thing covered in clamps already and you just need to get that one last clamp in to close up the joints, and there's really no access for it, and that's where this type of clamp really shines. So the key function here is that rotating head. Again, you get 12 individual steps. It's not very hard to rotate, but it just has a firm indexing feel, and I think that's about right. Any more than 12 positions I don't think would give you more functionality. You can go completely backwards on itself if the application required it, or you can be more in a standard clamping position. And so how heavy duty is this new 360 clamp compared to some of the other common clamps on the market? Compared to the lightest duty trigger clamp, I would say the 360 clamp is heavier duty. It's more in line with the medium weight, the middle weight trigger clamps that are on the market right now. Compared to the gear clamp, I feel like this has a little bit more power, but this would be not as heavy duty as some of the parallel clamps or large bar clamps that Bessey's making. Bessey was able to maintain this tool-free removable head that allows you to reverse it and use the clamp as a spreader. The large rubber handles seem pretty traditional and what I've come to expect from Bessey clamps, but the release mechanism seems a little bit different. It's larger and perhaps heavier duty than some of the trigger clamps. You just pull it back with one finger and slide the clamp into position. Well, there's probably lots of examples where you can't reach the handle once the clamp is in position, but here's an example where it's just the handle that might be in the way. Rotate that out of the way and I can work on my joinery. As I flipped my workpiece over, I discovered another reason why this rotating handle might be helpful. As I went to plane and work on my board, it kind of hits you right in the lap, so you can just spin the handle out of the way and continue with your work. All right, let's see how we did. Yeah, not too bad. Well, the ability to hold your workpiece firmly in place sure helps. Comparing the size of a 12-inch light-duty trigger clamp with a GK30 gear clamp, and next to our new 360 clamp. Alright guys, thanks for sticking around. Remember to click on the title of this video to access the description box. There you'll find links to these clamps that we talked about. You'll get current pricing information if you want to do a little shopping and add that next clamp to your shop. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.